Getting hit with the "We could not activate EA Sports FC26 on this computer using the EA account you provided" error? Don't worry, you are not alone and you are definitely in the right place. Let's walk through some quick and effective fixes to get you back in the game. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. If EA Sports FC26 is giving you activation issues, we have got the solutions lined up. Let's dive in. Method 1. Move the license files. Navigate to this PC and then open the C drive. Click on the View tab at the top. Select Show and check Hidden Items. Open the Program Data folder, then Electronic Arts, followed by EA Services, and finally open the License folder. Select all files in the License folder, cut them, and paste them into a backup folder on your desktop. The License folder should now be empty. Try launching the game to check if the error is resolved. Method 2. End the EA services. The next thing you can do is kill all the EA-related services in the Task Manager. Here is how to do so. Right-click on the Start menu and select Task Manager. Close the EA app if running and then end any EA-related tasks in Task Manager. Check if the error persists. Method 3. Clear EA app cache. Type EA app in the Windows search box, right-click on the app and select Open File Location. Right-click on App Recovery and select Run as Administrator. Click on Clear Cache, the app will restart. Check if the error is resolved. Method 4. Delete app data. Press Windows + R to launch the Run utility. Type %program data % and hit Enter or click OK. Open the EA desktop folder. Then delete all the folders inside it. To do that, right-click on each folder, select the Show More options and then select Delete. This should delete all the game saves but can fix the issue. Next, type %app data % in the Run utility and press Enter. Go to the App Data tab at the top. Open the local folder. Next, open the temp folder. Delete all the files from this folder. Follow the steps as shown here. Next, open the Run utility again and type temp in the command box and press Enter. Next, delete all files from this folder. Now relaunch the game and check. Method 5. Verify or repair the FC26 game files. Next, verify the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam. Head to the Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Go to the Install Files tab and click on the Verify the integrity of the game files option. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and download the missing file or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 6. Reinstall or repair the EA anti-cheat. The next thing you can do is repair or reinstall anti-cheat. Go to the installation location for FC26. Open the folder and then open the installer folder. Locate the EA anti-cheat folder and then open it. Double-click on the EA anti-cheat installer. From here, select your game. Click on the repair option, then on OK. Next, go to the game installation location and select the folder. Then click on the Select Folder option. This will repair the anti-cheat. Next, click on Update so that you can make sure everything is up to date. You can also select the Uninstall option to uninstall the anti-cheat completely. Next, select the game from the drop-down menu and click on the Install button to install the anti-cheat. After the installation finishes, the game starts and check if the issue persists. Method 7. Run EA App Updater. Type EA App in the Windows search box, right-click on the app and select Open File Location. Double-click on EA App Updater to update the app. If needed, right-click on the EA App Updater and select Run as Administrator. Launch the game and check if the issue is resolved. Method 8. Reinstall the game. If the methods shown in this video could not fix the issue, then reinstall FC26. To do so, press Windows + I to open Settings, open Apps and then head to Installed Apps. Click on the 3-dot menu next to the game. Click on the Uninstall button. Follow as shown to uninstall the game. Once the uninstallation of the game completes, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, reinstall the game to some other drive or SSD. Now launch the game and check. Method 9. Contact EA Support. If the methods shown in this video could not fix the issue, then you can reach out to EA Support for help. You can get in touch with live support through the official EA help site, or you can reach out via X, formerly Twitter, or Facebook for help as well if you prefer. All the links are provided in the description so you can use them. And that's a wrap on fixing the EA Sports FC26 activation error. We hope one of these methods helped you kick that issue to the curb. If this video made your day easier, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech-savvy solutions. Drop a comment below to share which fix worked for you. It might just help someone else out. Thanks for watching and we will catch you in the next one.